Introduction to PHP function. A function is a self-contained block of code designed to perform a specific task. Functions are fundamental building blocks in PHP programming that enables developers to write cleaner, more organized code. Function offer tremendous flexibility by providing both predefined function built into the language and the ability to create user-defined functions cater to the specific needs. By mastering functions, you unlock the power of code reusability and modular programming principles. Purpose of PHP functions: understanding why PHP functions are essential to in every PHP developer arsenal. Avoid code repetition. Functions eliminate the need to write the same code multiple times instead of duplicating logic throughout your program. You can call a single answer whenever needed, saving time and reducing errors. Easier to read and maintain. Well-known function make code self-documenting. Insert developer including yourself can quickly understand what section does, making maintenance
पॉज करना मैं चतुर्भुज ये भाई तो ऐसा करना तू एक कुर्सी लेके वहां स्पेशल बैठ
significant time and effort. String range. You can count the number of characters in strings useful for validation and data processing. Convert to uppercase. Return PHP. Transforms all characters to uppercase. Ideal for normalizing data and display formatting. Round numbers. Return 5 rounds of floating round numbers to the nearest integers essential for financial calculation and display. These predefined functions are thoroughly tested, optimized, and maintained by PHP community.
क्या हो गया बे देखो
They form the foundation of efficient
तो वीडियो बना रहा तो क्यों कह रहा है बीच में
your first trial before creating custom solution. Understanding function syntax. Function keyword declare the beginning of a function definition. These keywords tell PHP that you are creating a new function. Function name, a unique identifier for your function. Must start with a letter or underscore, followed by letters, numbers, and underscores. Choose this descriptive name that reflects the function purpose. Parameters, input values, optional values passed into the function. Enclosed in parentheses. This allows the function to accept data and process it dynamically. Function body, the code block between curly braces that contain the logic and operations the function will perform. Return statement, send the result back to the caller and immediately exit the program. Optional but recommended when your function produces a value. Passing argument function. Pass one value. The default method in PHP. A copy of variable's value is passed to the function, leaving the original variable unchanged. Use case. When you want to preserve the original data and work with a temporary copy. Pass by reference uses the and symbol before the part para